Hello to you. My name is Maria Kądzielska, and this is Poland Daily Culture Christmas time. And we already showed you in the previous episode what kind of ingredients we need in order to bake traditional Polish gingerbread. So, girls, what have we added here to this bowl?
Two kinds of flour, wheat flour, for example.
And
Yes.
the whole wheat
Yeah.
flour, baking powder,
Yes, baking powder, another powder.
sugar.
Sugar powder.
And we have the spices, which we blended specially in this beautiful traditional Polish way. So we add the spices to the preparation of and the body of this basically cake. And that is the spices. And now we should drill it, yes?
Yes.
And okay, the other thing is also, so we mix it right now. A lot of mixing.
Then it's time to add some eggs.
Time to add some eggs. Okay, so do it, please. Or should I do it?
You can do it.
Maybe one. Okay, so you start.
I start with the first eggs. Eggs are always very tricky. Okay, the first egg is added.
Okay, and the second egg.
We mix those ingredients all together, and what we need to add also is honey.
Can you feel the smell?
I can already smell it. I think it will be even a lot of taste. So it smells amazingly, and we have to add a little bit to this cake, the honey, so it tastes nice. Delicious.
May I help you?
Yes, you may help me. Should I even,
A bit more, do you think?
maybe a little bit more? But unfortunately, we've done it with a... And we add another spoon of honey inside. And that's all. And what else we need is, in fact, a little bit of butter. And we have to melt this butter first. So we just start the melting. And now we stir the batter, it's melted. I do hope it cooled a little bit, so it's not super hot. It shouldn't be super hot, because it will destroy the rest of the cake. And now we add it to this cake, this part, very slowly. And we should later on also stir it. Done. So now, girls, I think the stirring is a time of the stirring and some hard work. So now actually what is left is more hard work, because you should do it with your fingers, melt it all together, put together, and then we can start craving and the forms of our cookies. So look at us, how we do it. I'll do it specially for you.